Look at that. Oh, amazing. Amazing. This hair right here, okay, like who is telling me what?
Why you make it so complicated? Off the drink we concentrated. I know you won't leave me hanging.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Shanice Alicia, and today I'm going to be telling you about this bomb ass Annabelle hair. So I got this hair from the AliExpress vendor, Annabelle, and at first I was skeptical because, you know, my past experience with AliExpress has not been the best. Like, all the hair that I've gotten has shedded or looked crazy after a couple minutes of walking outside. Like, just horrible hair experiences is what I've had in the past. But this hair right here, okay, like who is telling me what? This is the best hair that I've had so far ever, and I bought hair from places like Diamond Hair Company and the Vanity Box, both which have like decent hair, but like, come on now, I literally didn't really even do anything to this. Like, it's so good. It has so much body. Like, you would not be able to tell I got this from AliExpress. What? Like, I am in love with this hair. It looks so good. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a quick little rundown of what I got from AliExpress. I bought this with my own money. Just so you know, this is not like influencer hair. They didn't send me this so I could give them a good review. I'm not gonna write them a good review in exchange for doing this video, nothing like that. I paid for this with my own money, and that's just it. Like, I know you guys don't have time to be wasting coin out here, so I went and I bought this hair just to see if it was good, and it really is. My homegirl put me onto it, and this hair is honestly really one of the best. Like, I literally love this hair so much. Yeah, anyway, so here are the specs of the hair. Now, I got the 4-bundle deal. So I got a 24, 26, and then a 28 and 28. So 4 bundles all together. And then I got a 20-inch closure, which is this right here. I put the baby hairs and all of that, so you know. Yeah, so I got this in Brazilian body wave, and I honestly love it. This is its natural state. Like, I put curls in it 2 days ago, and then like I brushed it out. So this is how it looks right now. So altogether for the 4 bundles and the closure, I paid $291. Like, I've paid $600 and up for hair. This is like less than $300, and it's the best hair that I've ever had. Okay, so this hair took 3 days to ship to me from China, I believe. So it came pretty fast. The packaging was nice. The hair was nice to begin with. Yeah, I did co-wash it. I used silicone mix, and then I just let it air dry overnight, and then I had it installed the next day. I haven't really done anything to it since then. Like, I curl it sometimes very lightly at the bottom. It holds a curl really well. Yeah, this hair is just so, like, it has so much body. It moves. Like, I have not had problems with tangling, shedding, none of that stuff that you hear with other AliExpress hair, and I'm a regular customer. Like, I've bought hair from AliExpress before and it's been bad, and then I bought hair from this place, and this is the best hair that I've had, like, out of all the hair that I've ever bought. AliExpress and non-AliExpress hair is like, but with this hair, I can go out, I'll be out all day, I'll barely have to brush it. Like, I used to have to carry a brush with me with all my other hair. This hair, it stays in place all day. I don't have to do anything to it, and I don't get tangles, shedding is very minimal. I'm telling you, like, even the good hair that I bought has had its fair share of shedding, and this hair is really good. I have a closure, and this thing looks like it's growing from my scalp. Like, that's how good this hair is. The only thing is, I don't like the closure too much compared to how the rest of the hair looks and feels. Like, the closure is very light, and like, I have to do a lot to it to get it to look the way I want it to look, which is kind of annoying, but it still looks good. either way, it still looks good, but I probably would suggest getting closure from somewhere else. I don't know where else because I don't really buy closures. This is the first time I've ever bought a closure, and I'm loving it, by the way, but not from this place. Yeah, so they have really nice people at their company. Sorry I'm touching my hair so much. I literally just love it so much. Like, it is long. It's 28 inches. So it's gonna tangle a little bit as the day goes by. Nothing noticeable, nothing that, like, unless you're running your hands through your hair every 5 seconds, like, you won't even, just brush it out at the end of the day and you'll be good. Honestly, you don't need to brush your hair like every second of the day. So unless you're doing that, then that might be an issue for you, but like, I can't get over this. Like, this hair is good, and if it was bad hair, I feel like they wouldn't be as open to help you out. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Oh my god, this hair looks so good. So the things that I use in this hair to keep it looking nice, this is really important also, because some people will just buy hair and then, like, it won't be moisturized, and it'll end up looking like trash no matter what. Like, if it's bad hair, it'll look even worse. If it's good hair, it'll look bad, and that's because they don't take care of their hair. So I'm going to show you what I use in this hair to keep it looking nice. The ends look really good still. Like, I've had this hair for almost 3 weeks now, and the ends still look good. It still has a lot of body. It's not shedding. But okay, so these are the two main things that I use, along with the silicone mix. It's a big part to making this hair look as good as it does, is to use silicone mix, because trust me, it makes a difference. I use this Cheese Silk Infusion. It's really good. It smells amazing. Between this and this that I'm about to explain really quick, my hair smells amazing all of the time. People compliment me all the time on how good my hair smells, because it just smells so good. Like, both of these products smell amazing. So this is the Fantasia hair polish. It's a heat protecting spray, and it also smells so good. This was $8. This one's a little more expensive. This was like $17, $18, but it lasts so long. You don't need a lot of it at all. But yeah, so this protects from heat damage. This also helps with the straightening of your hair too. So with the combination of these, it'll help your hair smell really good and look really good. I just use this. I used to use it all the time when I was just straightening my hair, but now I use it just right before I go to bed. Like, I put like literally a pea-sized dot in my hand, rub it in, and then rub it through the hair. And that's why it looks like just healthy and shiny, and not an unnatural shine either. Like, it just looks like I take good care of my hair, as you should, because that's really important. Besides the closure, like, not being exactly how I want it to be, which is completely up to your preference of how you like your hair to be. I like mine to feel heavy, just because I just like to, you know, throw my hair sometimes. But besides that, like, really, this hair is perfect to me. I will keep buying from them. Like, it looks so good. Let me see if I can give you guys the effect. Look at that. Oh, so amazing. Amazing. Just remember, guys, I wasn't paid for this. I bought this with my own money. Like, I would give, if I had to rate this hair, I would give it a 9 out of 10, just because I don't really like the closure. But if I had to rate this hair, like, without the closure, definitely probably a 10 out of 10, because I really haven't had better hair than this thus far, and I've been buying hair for almost 5 years now, so that says a lot. Yes. Okay. I haven't straightened this hair yet. I will be back with an update if you guys want one on how well it straightens and how it's keeping up. So far, it looks and feels really good, so I have no complaints on my end. But yeah, so the knots are bleached on this closure. I don't think it came pre-plucked. Honestly, I wouldn't even know the difference. I get my hair done. I do not do it myself. I wish I did. But yeah, this is the best hair. to be honest. I love it so much. Oh my god. So yeah, overall this hair is amazing. I love it so much. I don't know what else to say. You see it. Okay, let's see. But yeah, I really like this hair. I will be buying my hair for, I'm not wasting my money on these expensive ass companies anymore, because honestly I feel like they get their hair from AliExpress and then reprice that shit. Because how is this hair better than all the other hair I've been buying and spending so much money for? Just keep that in mind. More expensive is not better. Just because it has a fancy name on it does not make it better. I mean, you can see right here, right now, this hair is it's pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back with another video soon with an update. I'll probably do an update in like, I don't know, a month or so to let you know how the hair is holding up. But so far it's been perfect and I really don't expect anything less than that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You will not regret buying this hair, at least I think. So yeah, let me know if you do get it and how it works for you. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.